Right, number 10. For each of the sequences, arithmetic or geometric, we want to find the function whose domain is a set of natural numbers. Just means we want to start with 1, use the number 1 to predict the next term in the pattern, similar to one we've done before. So the first pattern is adding 4 every time. Okay, so we will list the first term plus the common difference times n minus 1. That's for arithmetic. N minus 1, not n plus 1. Gotta be careful. And then distribute, we would get 4 plus 4n minus 4. And then if we combine the positive 4 and negative 4, we would just end up with 4n. Okay, so the function for part 1 is just 4n, part A. B, we start out with the number 1, and then go to 2, and then 4, and then 8, and then 16. Okay, so we're not adding the same difference because 1 difference here, 2 difference here. So probably multiplying by something. To go from 1 to 2, if we multiply by 2. Go to 2 from 4 if we multiply by 2. So common difference is 2. So geometric formula is the first term times the common difference times n minus 1. And when we multiply times 1, we just get 2 to the n minus 1 power. So if you plug in 1, you'll get 2 to the 0, which is 1. Plug in a 2, you get 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. So this will give us our function for part B. So 2 to the n minus 1 power. C is the constant function. It's the same term all the way across. Okay. So that is our function, just the square root of 3, no matter what term we're on. And then D. So I'm looking at these, they all have a base of 2. Let's do a few of them. Alright, they all have an exponent minus this first one with the denominator of 3, and it's negative. So the second one has a negative 2 over 3. The next one has a negative 1 over 3. And then the next one is just 1. Okay, which if you're looking at a pattern, this one has negative 1, which I can describe as negative 3 over 3. And I want to somehow use the number 1 in this. And what I'm noticing is the tops are increasing, going up towards 0. So it's a negative 3, go to negative 2. So it's actually getting bigger. We're adding 1. So if I wanted to add 1, okay, that would change this number. So I also need to add 1 here. So if I actually started out with negative 4, and I said plus n, so n would be 1, that would give me negative 3 over 3. And if I had this as negative 4 plus n, which will be 2 this time because we're going to be natural numbers 1, 2, that would give us a negative 2. So it looks like we want our function to say 2 to the negative 4 plus n over 3 power. Okay, this is going to give us our function, kind of seeing what's happening, and that will fill in all those terms. So 2 raised fraction negative 4 plus n, or you can say n minus 4 over 3.